most of us do feel that, yes, there is a stigma around talking about mental health. This is lessening, but I also think that people just think that it's something to be ashamed of, and it's not. And we can talk about it, and it's not all doom and gloom, because, as you can see, I've come through it, and I believe that my experience now can go on to help other people, and that's what I'm now passionate about, and that's what I want to do.
It was very hard to get help when you're mentally poorly, and we were all in different geographical areas, and the ways that we all had to try and get help were completely different.
It's very much a postcode lottery of where you are. North and West Wales tend to don't do very well in terms of the services provided compared to maybe South Wales and Cardiff.
They were having to go and source the care themselves. There wasn't somebody saying, oh, look, this is what you need, this is where we can refer you. It was, they'd almost like found their own way, and they'd come through it, and they were here because they didn't want other people to have to go through what they've been through.
Which is what happened to me. I went to the mother and baby unit in the heat. I had peripeopral psychosis and postnatal depression, and I had an 8-week stay there where they really helped me to get better. The things that were difficult about that was it was an hour and a half travel for my husband and my 4-year-old to come and visit me. But that's much better than if I had to go to Birmingham, because that would have been 6 hours and I would have lost a relationship with my 4-year-old.
So looking at maybe some of the main points really to take forward would be looking to see if we can get mother and baby unit in Wales. Ideally that may happen in Cardiff, so if it doesn't happen in North Wales, to have a specialist perinatal mental health network up there.
No matter how poorly you are, you need your service to be local to you. So that would be like a perinatal mental health specialist team in your area. But if you are more poorly and you needed inpatient, then we need something in Wales where mothers and babies can stay together and get treated.
Each mother, and if they've suffered before, even not, have the consistency of one midwife from start to finish, and that midwife not only be trained as a midwife but also have the mental health training. I think that's very cool.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, one-to-one midwife all the way through. Named midwife, someone that you know, a friendly face, so that every appointment is the same person. Ideally, postnatally you'd be seeing the same person, so a named health visitor too. So that would be really important.
I think it's to recognise the different levels of people with mental health, and to realise sometimes that it doesn't have to be medication, or even though that is important for some people, but it can be, it's early intervention and it's prevention. And I think that's key as well, if you can help those families. And also the impact that it has on the children, because if mum isn't able to go out because of her mental health, the child or the baby isn't able to go out, so they're not accessing services, they're becoming isolated as well. So it's the impact that a parent's mental health can have on the child.
The other thing that I'd like to see is a clear pathway, so that when you're suffering you know where to go to, and that is communicated over and over and over from the health visitors and the midwives, that it's normal, that people get ill and this is what you do, and it's throughout Wales the same.